was like, get it off me.
Yeah, no, I'm just thinking, to the beach we go.
Yeah, to the beach we go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
To the beach we go.
While
We
have
have,
the sun.
here's the camp, by the way. Get a quick looky. We have not been very good at our vlogging and GoProing and
We've been tired.
anything. Well, we've been tired, but also we're here.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like we've been here before, done this. It's like I've been here, done this.
Yeah.
So no whole lot of. If we got anything new popping up, we'll show you. But we will show you the new walkout to the beach because it all got destroyed when the hurricane came through.
And usually the first couple of days too, we're just getting set up. You know, it's just getting settled.
Yeah, it's hard because we want to go out and play on the beach, but yeah, we have work to do.
Yeah.
But we want to go out and play on the beach, but we have work we want to do. So
we're fairly settled now.
Yeah. So I'm shooting this on the 9. Got no audio. It's just a raw GoPro. So and I got its floaty on, so I can take it to the beach and not worry about it sinking. Pearl's decided she's gonna let me pull it in the sand. Anyways, they replaced the boardwalk here with concrete trail. So everything's new down through here, and the wash-off station's not done yet. So they're still working on that. Here's where the old one was, where this mound of sand is from all of us washing our feet off.
And you said with the concrete, it has dropped about 2 or 3 feet from the wooden boardwalk.
Yeah, so we're not
everything seems
taller and higher. Yeah, because we're down a lot lower now.
Yeah, and it makes it less creepy.
Yeah.
Not as close.
Yeah, we walked out here towards an evening and it wasn't as creepy.
Yeah.
So.
There'll be spiders building in the trees.
Yep. This is kind of new through here. They put a little drainage because the water couldn't flow through. It's actually better for flowing through now. They got a regular little drainage ditch here now.
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to get windy here, so I'll take the wind out in post, but y'all see how good that filtering works on that software I use. Oh, she's about to pass it off.
Yep.
She's done. She says it's all yours. So we're kicking off our shoes, getting ready to go. Here, let me give you this. That's running.
So whatever I want to
whatever
point it at.
Point it at.
Okay. Pretty day.
Yeah.
A little breezy, but still pretty.
I'll go ahead and get my hat. Hat blowing. Oh, getting my hair, huh?
Yeah.
Oops.
What happened?
Nothing. She's getting my hat hair. Still there.
Look at your background, though. Nice. Yeah.
There's at least something pretty in that shot.
Wow. That was. This is what we have to pull through right now. I think it's a little bit breezier, windier than yesterday. Definitely. All right, so we will try to find a spot where there might not be any little crabs. Is that one right there? Ah, so pretty. So we brought our umbrellas, but we don't think we're going to use them because it's not too warm. So we're just going to set up our chairs and watch the ocean.
Yeah. We are all set.
All
Camp's
right.
up.
Handing it off.
Handing it off. Pass off.
And
We're going to be boring now. We're going to sit, read, and drink.
bye for now.
Bye for now. Oh, you at least give a nice view before we say bye for now. So he drove the boat out. He had a 2-pound bass on it. He drove that little boat all the way out there and then dropped the bait off. Now he's bringing his little boat back and he's fishing from there. That is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that. So all you guys that like to fish, here you go. He's bringing his little boat in. That's some serious fishing. Oh, look at that. Popped right up. That is so cool. That's one way to get your bait out there. Well, it has been a few days since we've been to the beach.
Finally.
Yeah. Girls got me all loaded up.
Yeah,
we got a whole bunch of new stuff. Got new chairs,
new beach
new
bag,
beach bag,
and a new umbrella.
a new umbrella.
Which the other one was falling apart.
Yeah.
So
Here, did you flip the little latch? There you go.
You wanna, yeah, I can do it.
You got it? I'm vlogging. Oh, that's how I get out of this.
Yeah.
Although Pearl could steal the camera. Oh, and Pearl got a new hat.
Yeah.
That's what you guys saw the other day. So.
Not sure how breezy it's going to be on the beach. I may have to put my chin strap on.
Yep. So you got a hat. So we're going at it. So we're heading out. Another day.
I think we did do the hat yesterday.
Yeah, we did buy the hat yesterday.
Well, we vlogged about it yesterday.
Well, now she's wearing it.
Yeah.
Golf cart. They can go around. Okay. All right, new beach camp is set up. So we got our new umbrella here up and looking good. Girl's in her new hat, looking good. Sitting in her new chair, looking good. And you can tell whose chair is whose.
Yeah.
Got a Sasquatch chair. We got pretty beach chair.
Yeah.
As you can figure out which one's which.
Obviously, I'm in mine.
You're in yours,
so
yeah.
Kind of gives it away.
Yeah. All right, so got a nice quiet day out here on the beach. Not a whole lot of going on here, and yes, not a whole lot of video editing going on either. So if I'm lucky, I might get something done. I doubt it. Anyway, so we're gonna enjoy our beach time. Hey YouTube, guess what? I remembered to vlog. All right, so it's Sunday now, and we are not been doing a very good job at video, but you know what? It's a rinse and repeat. If you really want to watch us to go out and sit on the beach all day long, what do you think, Pearl?
And we have this in our video library as well, so it's kind of a repeat.
So it's like the same thing. So
Yeah.
we're still alive, still doing. I'm actually Pearl made us some nice salads tonight,
I'm
And
a salad maker.
well, she made it this time for
Well,
me.
you've made them before.
I made them too. My stuff is out there, and I'll show you what I'm making. We've been swarmed by the mosquitoes. Are horrible this year. I really miss. Huh?
They're always
I know, but we had our porch. I miss our porch. I missed the porch on our old camper because it would been right here covering us with everything. So I got our tikis out and going. They seem to be working. I bought these little, I got one over here. I bought these little battery powered bug zappers. So I got a couple of these out. Got one there and one over there. And they do a really good job keeping the bugs out once they inside the camper. So anyways, tonight we bought I bought me we're having filet, grilled mushrooms and onions, and I bought us a food processor, and I'm making us some grilled potatoes. So that's dinner tonight. So that's what the cook's cooking. And so far, oh, I see a mosquito. So I came out here to turn the grill on. I got like 4 of them just swarmed me. And they seem to settle down once I got all our anti-mosquito warfare stuff fired up and going. So it seems to be holding them back at bay a little bit. So I'll get me some cooking done, and maybe I'll show you the final results for today. Been doing some really nice night lapse. I shot 2 on the Hero 9. I got my mount up there on top of the ladder there. I did it in video mode, night lapse video mode, for the last couple nights. Tonight I'm gonna go back to my normal photo because I don't think you get the streaking of things going by. I'll have to see how that looks. So I'm gonna do a couple more. So I got up and going on that. So I got those that and that was just, never mind. They're still going at it. So much for my warfare stuff. I guess bug spray is the best. Give everything a quick turn. The potatoes look like they're turning out pretty good. It's the first time I've ever done those. So they're looking pretty good. So no salt. Kind of watching my diet a little bit, trying to cut out all the salt. That's why we're doing our own potatoes instead of buying store-bought potatoes and stuff. So I'm not really salting anything. So I did find cayenne pepper tastes pretty darn good. So I've been starting to slip that on things. All right, back in we go. All right, we forgot the salads are toast. They're gone. But here's the final results of dinner. So we got my fried potatoes with some onion, sour cream, and butter, and I'm getting ready to put some cayenne pepper on it and some black pepper on it. Spice mine up. And there's the steak with the onions and mushrooms, and a happy wife ready to chow down. She says to get off. And we have our sippy cups with adult beverages. So, bon appetit. Yep.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.